What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs and all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you like this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Alright guys, in today's video I have the second one that is part of the Color Collab makeup series. So what we're doing each week is we're doing a full face of makeup with just one color. For the first week we did purple. This week we've chosen green. So I gotta say guys, I was very nervous about using green for things like blush and eyebrows, but overall I was pretty excited about my look. Hopefully you guys will feel the same. Now there will be a giveaway at the end of this series, and what I'm doing for my giveaway is I'm going to require that you put all 4 emojis that I've used in each of these videos at that fourth and final video. You don't have to do it for each individual video because the only time it's going to count is when you do it for that fourth and final video. I'm going to want all 4 emojis that I've used in all of my videos. That will let me know that you guys actually watched them, and I probably will have one other part to it to make sure that you watched all of my videos. So make sure that you watch all of my videos, and please take the time to watch all of the other lovely ladies that are part of this collab. This is so super fun. See what fun looks that they come up with. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, so here I am. I've already put on my foundation and all of that fun stuff that you guys don't care about. So I'm going to go ahead and start in with this Bubble Pop palette to do my blush. It has a really light shade of green right here that I'm going to go ahead and use to start my blush. So I start putting it on and I'm like, okay, let's do some more because I'm not seeing it. Are you guys seeing it? And I'm like, what the heck? I still don't see it. So I keep trying to build this up and trying to build this up. So eventually I decided to go off camera in another mirror and I built it up as much as I possibly could. And honestly guys, I still didn't think I was seeing a whole lot of green there. So what I decided to do was go ahead and go in with the next shade here. It's a little bit darker than that first shade. So I thought, okay, let's do that to make this even more green. So when I did that, I was like, okay, this is like really getting super green. I mean, I like to do an excessive amount, but I kind of feel like I shouldn't have done that with this green one because, you know, I'm looking really Kermit the Frog here. I'm just saying. So I was like looking at it. I'm like, okay, yeah, that's too much. And then I put more on. Does that make sense? Yeah, not at all. So what I do is I go in with my LA Colors pressed powder, and this is in the color tan. And I just go ahead and blend that out as much as I possibly can because it was really green. I mean, I know we're going green here, guys, but I mean, I wanted it to look somewhat decent, and that was just not looking good to me. Okay, so now I'm going in with this awesome green lipstick, guys. I got this from Amazon. It doesn't have a name brand on it or anything, but guys, it looks so good. I love it. Now, I know this color is probably for sure not for everybody, and most people would not walk around with this color on. Yeah, I always go out of the lines. What else is new? But honestly, guys, this is super creamy, super smooth, and I love the color. I think it's pretty freaking awesome. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this, you know, like on the regular. I was pretty happy. Okay, so now I have 2 green eyeliners. One is really dark and one's like not so dark. So I'm going to go in with the darker one first because I like my eyeliner to be super dark. And when I opened it up, it totally fell completely out of the thing. Awesome, right? So I just popped it right back in there and I thought, okay, let's just twist it back up and let's use it. Why not? So I go ahead and start putting this stuff on. Now, the only reason why I have 2 of them is because I got multi-packs from Amazon and I thought, okay, well, I have these 2, so why not use them, right? So I put this stuff on, guys, and honestly, it went on really good. I was like, yes, look at that. So since I'm super happy with it, I jump over to the other eye to do the exact same thing. Obviously, I'm going to darken that up as much as I possibly can because I like my eyeliner to be super dark, guys, and this was going on really well. I was super, super stoked. But of course, I still went in with that other one because I wanted it to be super green and super noticeable, and it obviously is now, but I wanted it to be even more, right? So I went in with this one and I was like, yes, look at that, guys. That is so awesome. Yes. I was so excited, guys. This stuff was going on really good. Hats off to this Amazon seller because these things actually really work. I was nervous about them. Yeah, I was pretty happy. Okay, so now I have this e.l.f. palette that I got from Katie. Her channel is called Katie's Corner of the World. Now this first color is kind of gold, so I was like, I don't think I can use that one. So I went in with this next one, but normally when I do my green looks, I do use that gold color first. So once I put it on, I'm like, oh no, I didn't set my eye primer. So I tried to wipe it off, which really didn't work. So I go in with this Moonchild palette that I got from Lois. Her channel is called Life with Lois's. I like to set my eye primer with this highlighter all the time. That's just the way that I do it. I like doing it that way. I think that my eyeshadows go on really nice with the highlighter as the base. Look at that, guys. Super green. Yes, it's already looking good. I'm just saying. And now I can tell you right now, most people are going to be like, okay, this look is so crazy. I would never wear this, but I would totally wear this stuff out, and I actually do. I'm just saying, like, this is what I do when I do my green look, except for the eyeliner, because I didn't have the green eyeliner before, but now that I have it, I'll definitely use it on the regular. So after I put all of this on, you know, I'm looking pretty good. Yeah, loving it. Start dancing. Got to do the happy dance. Now we're going to go in with the e.l.f. palette. I'm going to go in with that green shade that I originally started going in with. I'm just going to start at the corner of my inner eye here and then just swipe it over a little bit until I'm like, okay, that looks pretty good. And then I jump over to the other eye and try to do the exact same thing. So I'm just, you know, slapping this stuff on here, guys. Honestly, there's no rhyme or reason. I just go to a certain point that I think looks good. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with that next darker green shade. I'm going to finish out the rest of my eye with that. Normally, I like to do 3 shades on my eye, but because I had to go in with that, with the green and not the gold, because I think that other color was gold, I decided just to do the 2 shades. And honestly, I'm loving it. I think it looks really good, guys. It's blending out really nice. I don't think that I need to do anything else to this. Normally, I drag that first color all the way over, but honestly, I'm liking the way that it looks right now, so I end up not touching it. Another happy dance. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go with that darkest shade of green, and then I'm just going to do it on my lid right there. I always like to do a darker shade right on the top of my eyelid. I don't know, that's just the way that I do it, and obviously I'm really happy with that too. I think this look is turning out pretty awesome. I am loving it. I really, really like this look so far. Okay, so now that I have all that done, another happy dance, and now we're going to go in with that dark green and try to do the eyebrows, guys. I took a super deep breath because my eyebrows turned out terrible the last time I did this with the purple. So as I'm putting this on, I'm like, okay, I think this is working. Man, I wish I had a darker shade of purple, and I bet you I would have been happy with the purple eyebrows as well. But this, I was super stoked about. Honestly, I would wear this on the regular. I'm like, yeah, this is freaking awesome. I was so excited. You have no idea. I was like, oh, deep breath, because I didn't want to have to take these eyebrows off after I was done with this look. And honestly, guys, I really do like it, and I leave it like this all day. Pretty exciting. Okay, so now that I'm happy with my eyebrows, I'm going to go back in with that Moonchild palette that I got from Lois, and I'm going to go ahead and go back in with that green color, and then I'm just going to use it at the very tops of my eyes. Every time I finish my eyebrows, I like to finish the eyeshadow look out with a little bit of highlighter over top, and I'm so glad I did. Look at the difference that makes, guys. I was like, yes, please. I'm loving it. Yay! Guys, I'm so happy so far. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to do my eyelashes, and I'm going to go in with this Luna Magic, what is this? Eyelash primer? Sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with that first. And I go in with it pretty heavy, guys, because my eyelashes are black and I'm trying to change them to a different color. And anybody who has black hair, if you go to dye it, you got to really go in with like bleach and all that kind of stuff to try to get another color. So we have to go in really thick with this primer. And what I like to do with it is make sure that it is completely dry before I put on the mascara. I found that that works best when I'm trying to use colored mascaras on my very black eyelashes. So while those are drying, I'm going to go ahead and go in and do my highlight on my face. And I don't know why I did this last time with the purple too. I'm so used to going in with my regular highlighter. I just go in like normal and I'm like, okay, we're going to blend this out a little bit because, you know, it's getting a little too green for me. So I just blend it out as much as I possibly can. But I did use the green highlighter, guys. You saw it. I'm just saying, I didn't cheat. It's definitely green. I just kind of blended it out a little bit. Okay, so now we're ready to go in with this green mascara that I got from Amazon. And and it looked awesome when I took it out of the thing, but it didn't go on as well as I expected. I had to do quite a few coats, so you guys are going to see me do this first coat here on camera, and then off camera I did quite a few more coats to get a really nice dark green kind of a color, which is exactly what I was going for. I actually have another green mascara that I use from Shop Miss A, and I'm pretty sure I went in over top of this one with that one as well, just to make sure I can get it nice and green for this look. And when I was done with all of that, I was super happy with it, and here's my final look. Woo! Guys, I had to go in with this awesome money dress that I got from Amazon along with the money earrings because we are doing green. Guys, I honestly love this look. Everything except for the blush I think turned out really good. I love bright, bold looks like this, and the lipstick, I don't mind it at all. I know a lot of you are going to be like, okay, the green lipstick is a big fat no, but for me, it's a big fat yes. And I had to show you my full outfit because I have all money. How awesome is this? This dress is so comfortable, so cute. I got the dress from Amazon. I got the little purse from Amazon. The little belt came from eBay. The shoes were from Chic Shoes. I love this outfit. I think it is so incredibly fun. Oh, and the earrings I also found on eBay for an awesome price. The entire outfit, head to toe, was less than $40, and yeah, that's fake money, guys. I don't roll with that much cash. This was so much fun. Let's jump into final thoughts. Okay, guys, so that was a lot of fun. Now, purple was our first challenge, and I love purple. It is my absolute favorite color, but unfortunately, I was honestly super exhausted and tired when I did that video because I was in the process of getting ready for my craft show. For this one, I was well rested. I was so excited to do it, and as soon as I found out that it was green, I was like, man, I got the perfect outfit for the green challenge. No, I did not buy this outfit specifically for this challenge. I already had it. Yes, I do wear it because I'm crazy like that. I like bright, bold prints. I like bright, bold makeup looks. It is just so super fun. Nonetheless, I think that this look turned out better than my purple look. The only thing that I really didn't care for that much was the green on the cheeks. I tried to blend it in as much as I could because I wasn't really a fan, but I loved the purple on my cheeks. I actually wore that purple look again, like later that week, and I did the purple cheeks and everything. I just didn't do the purple eyebrows. Now this one, the eyebrows turned out fire. I am so happy that they don't look super crazy. I would totally wear this look out and about for sure. I actually like the lipstick. I don't mind it. I would definitely wear the lipstick. So I'm really glad that I bought that as well. Overall, I'm very happy with this look. It goes perfect with this outfit. Imagine me walking down the street in total green head to toe with this outfit on. How cool would that be? You guys would definitely know it's me. So those of you who don't know me would be like, oh my gosh, that's definitely Amber. I'm just saying. Nonetheless, guys, this was so much fun. Please make sure that you check out all of the other channels who are involved with this collab, see what other fabulous looks they came up with, and see if maybe they're dressed in money too. I don't know. You never know. Some people are as crazy as I am. All right, guys, there will be a giveaway at the end of this series. I'm not going to disclose what the giveaway items will be until that fourth and final video. You will need to make sure that you include all of the emojis that I am putting up in each video that I have, and I might have a little something else that you're going to have to do to make sure that you watched all 4 of my videos. So please make sure that you watch all 4 of the videos that are in this series to make sure that you can be entered in for my giveaway. And again, guys, don't forget to check out all the other fabulous ladies involved in this collab and see what fun looks that they came up with. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! This is Amber's DIY and other stuff, and there's a nice loud muffler coming through right now. I feel like I have to scream, and I don't need to scream because you guys probably can't hear it, so let's try it again. And this week we are doing green. So what we're doing with this collab is we're doing a full face of makeup with just the one color that we've chosen for each week. And then I was going to say, so for this week it's green, but I already said that, so let's try it again. So I was a little nervous about it, but overall, I was pretty happy with my look. So, I just lost my train of thought because the stupid stuff coming across the screen. Damn it. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. I didn't like that. Try it again. All right, guys. This was a super fun challenge, and I hope that you check out all of the other videos. I ruined it. Hold on. But I was so extremely exhausted when I did that challenge that I couldn't put as much effort into it. Try it again. And that was our first challenge, but unfortunately I was absolutely exhausted. I didn't get it right, hold on.